Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with GTA 5 you got an error of failed to start Battleye service. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Let's start with the basic troubleshooting steps. Right click on your GTA 5, choose option properties, click on compatibility tab, and if this option is check mark, make sure you uncheck this option. Hit apply and OK button. Same thing you need to do with Rockstar Games Launcher. Open the file location, right click again and choose the option open file location. Now right click, go to the properties, and here under the compatibility, if this option is check mark, uncheck it. Do the same with launcher also. After doing these three steps, go ahead and try to relaunch the game to fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, first of all launch the Rockstar Games Launcher, go to the settings and under the Battleye, uncheck this option. Now close it. Now click on this up arrow key also to make sure the Rockstar Games Launcher is not running into your system. Now click on start menu, type cmd and choose the option run as administrator. Now type here command sc delete be service and hit the enter key. Now once the command is deleted, go ahead and close it. Now make sure to restart your PC, and after restarting you need to open the game directory. At my end the game is installed in F drive Rockstar Games GTA 5 Enhance. From here open the Battleye folder. Here you will find a service with the name BE service. Go ahead, double click to launch it, and this will reinstall the Battleye service and in turn fix out the issue of failed to start Battleye service. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.